Alright guys, I know it's been a damn near a year since I truck spotted, but since I haven't been able to get this many, or I guess one train, I guess we're gonna resort to truck spotting. So here comes a Navistar and I think a Freightliner. Alright, Freightliner. Another Freightliner. We got a bunch of trucks today. Dang, just a wave. Alright, here comes a Freightliner. And here comes a Kenworth, or a Peterbilt, I mean. He was gonna do it, but then decided not to for no reason. Alright, Freightliner. What about him? Alright, we have a bus. Alright, we got a Freightliner and a Navistar. Yes, I call internationals Navistars now. That's their nickname. Alright, Kenworth and a Freightliner. And another truck. Oh no, that's a Peterbilt. Alright, Peterbilt and a Navistar actually. God damn it. Alright, Freightliner. Alright, Peterbilt. Then we got more trucks coming. God damn it! The freaking Peterbilt custom. We got more trucks though. Alright, Kenworth and Peterbilt. Dang. Alright, we got the police over there. Alright, Volvo. First Volvo in a year. Oh, what do you know? Alright, here comes a Mac. I don't know what type of car that is. Not an SRT, V6. Alright, Freightliner. Volvo and Freightliner. Osama bin Laden. Alright, Freightliner and, well, two Freightliners. classic Chevy. There we go. Someone who's enthusiastic. All right, we got an older Peterbilt and a Volvo. I know not many truck spotters count these, but RV, I guess. Oh my God. All right, Freightliner. I don't know. Oh, it is a Freightliner. All right, now we got a, what is that? Peterbilt or Kenworth. Holy fuck. Oh, we're getting a lot more trucks coming here now, which is good. God damn it. What the hell? Oh my God. That was a nice horn. Okay, I don't know if this is a good shot, but here comes a Kenworth. Okay, I guess not. Alright, we got a International and a Kenworth. Alright, we got 4 trucks coming up. This guy's enthusiastic. Alright, here comes a Kenworth. LEDs. God damn it, this idiot just went right in front of that truck. Freightliner. That ear deafening horn. Could have just done it and not seem like a dick. Alright, Freightliner. Alright, Freightliner, or Peterbilt. We got 2 Peterbilts coming up. Oh, that's an older one. Jesus, foul. All right, we got a Kenworth. All right, we got a Freightliner coming up. See if he'll honk. If not, then he's an asshole. And he's an asshole. Alright, we have another Freightliner, and this is a stupid Jeep. Driven by a moron. Alright, Freightliner. Volvo. Volvo and Freightliner. The Freightliner is covering the Volvo. God damn it. Damn, he wasn't by the time he got to me. Alright, we have 3 trucks coming up towards me, so we're going to try and get them to honk their horn. If they don't, they're gay. Alright, he's gay. Gay. You know what? Maybe not him, because he's probably got that ear-deafening horn. You know what? I'll just count it as gay. Alright, Freightliner. I was about to do it, but you didn't do it. Alright, another one. Hopefully. Yes! Alright, Kenworth. We got 2 people. Alright, we got another truck that's coming. Actually, we got 2. Looks like an older Kenworth, but it's not as old as if it were to have the mini loud thingy. Alright, let's see. God damn it. Oh, screw you. Alright, we got 2 trucks coming. 2 of them are Freightliners, I think. Yep, that one too. I have no idea what that was. Alright, we have another Freightliner. And a Peterbilt coming up from not too far behind. Looking, doesn't do it. So, it's moved on to you, buddy. Hopefully you can make a shine, whatever you call it. Okay, that was actually good. We got another truck coming up right here. It's a good thing he was able to make the shit sparkle. Come on, Freightliner. Another Freightliner, come on. You don't know it, so you're gay and Freightliner. And you're extra gay, like James Charles, because he did this. Alright, we got a Kenworth and I think a Freightliner or a Volvo. He's like, no. We got 3 trucks coming up. Volvo, Freightliner, and maybe another Freightliner. Yep. I don't know whether to count the Ford or not, but I guess I'll count the Ford. Oh. Alright, Kenworth. Yes. Alright, Volvo. Alright, we got someone pulled down up from behind, but international. Alright, Freightliner. city, you better calm down. By the way, that's good. Oh, we got 2 trucks. About to reach for it, but then he decided not to. See how many box trucks we can get. There's the ear deafening horn. Is it that ear deafening horn? I mean, no, but that's not that far off of the ear deafening horn. All right, now we got a Kenworth and a Peterbilt. And the Kenworth is about to cover the Peterbilt. God damn it. Oh no, he saw me! Alright, we got a Freightliner and that freaking Dodge Ram that's covering it. Dude, you could have done it as well. Alright, hold on. Alright, we got a Freightliner. Alright, we got a Freightliner. Alright, we got a Freightliner and a Peterbilt. Swift. That's not good. Alright, Kenworth and a Freightliner. Alright, Freightliner. Here we got a Volvo and a Kenworth. We got another one. This horse so foul. Almost didn't hear it, but he honked. He did it. Alright, we got a Peterbilt and a Freightliner, I guess. Alright, we got a Peterbilt. frog. What? That was the horn? Alright. You just do it. We got a bunch of trucks that are coming. Like 5 of them. See if both of them will do it at the same time. Alright, Freightliner. Oh wow, dude. Fucking smart ass. Alright, we got 2 trucks coming. Oh, 3 of them actually. God damn it, he has a 4-pitch one. Curious to hear what this truck sounds like. Also Volvo. Alright, we got a international. Did it? Freightliner. What? That was a Dodge. Volvo. Toyota Camry. Tesla, I think. I don't know. Oh, we got 2 trucks, Volvo and a Kenworth. Thanks. Freightliner. Or no, that's a Navistar. That's an older Navistar. Let's see if he'll honk. Hopefully he does. Oh, that's a Freightliner horn. We got 2 Freightliners. Oh, we got 2 trucks coming up. What about Peterbilt? Kudos to him. Hey, it took him 2 seconds to find it. At least he did it though.